Yo, what's up everybody? This is your guy Dan Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick iPhone trick. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm going to show you guys how to change your fonts whenever you text somebody or you save a note or whatever. This right here is very easy and simple to do. So enough of me yapping, it's time to make it happen. Let's go.
That's how I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, the first thing that you want to do is go to the App Store, go to the search bar, tap on that, and type in fonts, F-O-N-T-S. Press return, then scroll down to where it says fonts and emoji keyboard. Download that. Now once the fonts app is downloaded, there's the icon right there. The first thing you should do is go to settings, scroll down to where it says general, tap that. Then in general, scroll down to where it says keyboard, tap that. Now in this section, tap where it says keyboards, right there. Now in here, you're gonna see the selection of the keyboards that you got in your phone already. But fonts is gonna be the new one. So tap on that, and where it says allow full access, click this button right here. Then when this prompt pops up, tap allow.
Okay!
Now for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show you how it works when I use notes. The same applies to if you text somebody, the same steps. So I'm opening up notes. I'm about to make a title, I'm tapping on that. Right now you see the regular keyboard layout, but to activate the fonts, tap the globe at the bottom until you see this right here with all the selections of fonts and everything. Now to select the font, tap the icon right here, 2 A's, and there's a selection of fonts that I can choose from. Right now, I'm going to choose Comic. So, I'm just going to type in the word testing. And as you can see, there's a whole different unique font with a whole new feng shui.
Yeah!
Now that's lit. And also, I'd like to mention that when you open up the fonts app, man, the layout is so simple and so beautiful. And right here, you can test it out to see how it works.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
No question about it. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and the fonts app a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what? To feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.